Hello traders. So this is Nikhil Naik, aka the Boss Trader. So today we are going to do something different, right? And I guess going to follow the same pattern and going through each and every stocks all the time. I'll be just looking at the mother index, okay, and उस पे analysis करके हम देखेंगे कि possible scenarios कौन सा है और end तक वीडियो जरूर देखना because I'll be doing Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis in the end. Okay, so first is IT index. So IT index is in a good bullish momentum for a very long time. Okay, yesterday we saw a good shorting opportunity also on the intraday basis. All right, we short Infosys and SCL Tech. Okay, but today we saw a very good bounce from this demand zone. Okay, and then the market just pushed to the upside. So right now, for a good buying opportunities, I will be again looking at this levels. Okay, and there is one more level at this price. Okay, so there will be two demand areas. One is this and one is this. Let's use Fibonacci so that we will be getting our optimal areas for buying it. Okay, so it can bounce from 50%, no doubt, because it will be a discounted price, right? I'll be using the can box too. Okay, so I need a good entry below this discounted area. Okay, I'll be buying at the discounted prices. So right now there is no trade on IT stocks, but for an intraday basis you can look for short entries regarding to if this market structure breaks. Okay, if this market structure breaks to the downside and a retest, this levels will be good for until this levels will be good for shorting. Okay, so let's look at FMCG index. So FMCG index also had a good buying opportunities. Our order block level just got supported here, and then till then we saw a good bull run in the markets. Okay, so we have seen that there is a major break of a structure, right? So let's come on lower time frame. On a lower time frame we have this demand area, so I'll be looking buying at this particular price point, okay, which is 37,000. All right, let's see this. Okay, so yeah, the discounted price is below this only, and there is a huge liquidity void. Okay, huge imbalance to be filled. So I'll be waiting for it to come here to look for new buying opportunities in FMCG sector. Okay, so next is Nifty Pharma has given a good opportunities to us on the short side. Again, tomorrow I'll be looking for buying here. Okay, buying will be really very good in this particular counter. Why? Because we saw a distribution happening at this price. Okay, a distribution market went for an expansion and we are going for an accumulation. Okay, and we saw a breakout of that accumulation. So tomorrow I will be focusing on pharma index a lot, and I guess Cipla is giving the same momentum as Nifty Pharma. So tomorrow I'll be looking at pharma index. Right. And so the next is auto sector. Auto sector, I had short on auto sector on 16th of August. Today our all target got achieved. It filled the gap at this price. I'll wait for one more stop loss hunt. Why? Tell you the reason why. Okay, whenever you see equal lows or equal highs, that means there is liquidity below. Okay, so will come prices will push down, hit the liquidity, hit all the stop losses placed by the retailers, so the market makers do that. Okay, and then we can look for buying opportunities in auto sector also. Okay, and I guess Tata Motors looks really good right now to look for longs. So the next is FMCG sector. FMCG sector is in a bullish momentum for quite a long time. Okay, it's in a range for quite a long time, and we have seen that multiple break of that range to the upside. Okay, multiple break of that range to the upside. We grab the liquidity from below, and then the market pushed up. But the thing is, um, there is a huge imbalance below. There is a huge imbalance below. Okay, the imbalance should be filled. All right, the imbalance should be filled. So, what to look for? Right now, we are seeing a retest to these levels from where this uh, bearish momentum began. Okay, we can look for shorting opportunities here with a tight stop loss. Okay, because we have almost equal lows. Okay, there can be a minor stop loss, and then we can look for shorting opportunities. Okay, if this level break, we can again go even further below. So in a finance sector, there are stocks like Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, all those stuff. So I'll be posting few stocks for intraday basis or for swing trading on my Instagram page. So if you haven't follow that. Right, it's at the rate the boss traders. Right. The next is Realty. Realty, I think so. It's bearish. Okay, we are making a kind of head and shoulder pattern, and this is the neckline. We have seen that it tapped the demand zone, gave a move from that, and again I think so we can in future we can look at this levels also. Okay, so in Realty I'll be looking at DLF also looks good for short. Okay, at current prices. Right, so tomorrow Pharma sector will be bullish and Realty will be bearish. Okay, let's see PSC. PSC, I guess I'll be avoiding PSC for few days until and unless I see a proper structure forming. Okay, right now I can't decide uh, on which direction I should take trades on it. So if something is confusing you, move on to the next chart. All right, let's see PSU Bank. So PSU Bank was the main reason of Bank Nifty to be completely bearish. Okay, we saw there was a breakout of this inverted head and shoulder pattern. We didn't sustain, and the market fell down. Okay, so this will be the important demand zone. Okay, if it breaks that demand zone, we can even come further below, but I think so if it has took the here support, this is the main demands or a main order block level, we can see some kind sort of recovery here. Okay, and here comes the metal was in a bullish momentum for quite a long time. Okay, and we were looking for a shorting opportunities on this particular counter. All right, we have tapped the liquidity here. We have seen a good distribution happening. Okay, we will be looking for shorting opportunities on metal sector also. My initial target will be this demand area. Okay, let's come to Nifty today. On Friday I took a short entry on Nifty. All right, I exited all my position at 16,500 because there was a order block at this price. We made a double bottom and market pushed up. Okay, right now again I'm looking for shorting opportunities. Why? Because I think so markets are overvalued right now. Okay, markets are overvalued right now. So if I get any shorting opportunities at this price, I can go short for this double bottom. Okay, which is 16,500. All right, my stop loss will be around for 15-20 points in Nifty 50. If we break this level, which is 16,450, we can even target for 16,380 or 16,400 for early exits. Okay, so the last is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we saw Bank Nifty was weak. Okay, it opened gap down, and my initial target was here at this low, but we tapped to this order block level, and then market gave some sort of recovery. Okay, so even we traded this levels. All right, my Initial first exit was this 50% of Fibonacci. My second exit was 61% of Fibonacci. And let's see if we fill this gap or not tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I will be deciding how the market opens, and then I'll be deciding how to trade this particular index. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, if you have any stock recommendation, you can comment it or the comment section. Okay, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.